Ready to move your PayPal balances into your FNB account? In this video, I will show you the seamless way to transfer your international funds straight to your phone using the FNB app. Let's get those digital dollars into your bank account. Start by launching your FNB app and logging in. Once you're on the dashboard, scroll down to find the Forex tab. This is your command center for all currency movements and global transactions. Inside the Forex menu, look for the PayPal option. You will see a list of services. Simply tap on PayPal withdrawal to start the transfer process from your linked PayPal wallet. If your profile is not connected yet, just hit the link PayPal profile and follow the quick prompts to sign in and authorize FNB. It's an one-and-done setup that makes future transfer instant. Now, specify the USD amount you're moving and pick the FNB account you want to credit. Review the real-time exchange rate, hit confirm, and your transfer is officially in motion. You will see exactly how much SAR will be deposited. Your funds will typically land in your FNB account within 3 to 5 business days. And that's it.